Clap.
Hey, देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई।
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ, एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक।
Again you copy me. की टहनिया, पेड़ की टहनिया।
Okay, so जल्दी पुश करो।
wall riding in the in the happiness camp, and I play in the trampoline, and I sleep in the school. There was lots of beds, lots of different beds, and me and Ryan are sleeping together. Then we wake up. Then we drink milk and strawberry milk. I played rope climbing. Then I played in the bridge. I play with my friends and it's too fun. I'm too very much happy. I actually played like some obstacles and I did sleep till I wake up in this night. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I love this one.
We loved the school. We loved the school, the infrastructure, and the teachers, how they say namaskara and hug the kids and kiss the kids. That was so touching for me as a mom of twin. From Bangalore to Bhubaneswar, we have shifted. And immediately within a day, we got them into the camp. They were so excited because the teachers were continuously calling and talking to them in a way that they should be engaged. So I think teachers are the main reason who make the parents feel that the children are safe, even for a new child, even for the new child. So I'm happy. The way they are smiling, I feel very happy.
I love happiness camp.